I know you're standing there, overthinking yet again. Thinking whether you're good enough, thinking that whether your dreams are too big to be true, thinking that are you that brave or are you pretending to be?
Believe you me, I remember and I know that look in your eyes. The one that hides fear behind a smile. You think you have to have it all figured out by now? You think making mistakes means you have failed? But no, listen to me. You haven't even met your real strength yet. You will walk through rooms where no one will understand you. You will be underestimated, rejected, even forgotten. But every time you think you're breaking, you're actually becoming. Why? Because I've been through it. One day, you look back and realize that version of you who doubted yourself was the one who kept going anyway. And that's what makes you unstoppable. So don't rush to prove yourself. Please don't. Take your pace, take your time. Don't dim that light to fit in any scenario. No, not required. The right people will never ever intimidate you or underestimate you and will know your truth. And the wrong ones, well, they were never meant to stay. It may hurt you for a while, but it is good they are gone. I know you don't see it now, but every scar, every tear, every lonely night, those nights where you've been crying, is shaping you into the person that who will finally say, I don't need to be perfect to be proud of myself. And you will get there. Till then, keep being quiet, keep being curious, keep believing in the quiet power inside you. And why do I keep or why do we keep taking permissions to be ourselves? Because maybe long time ago someone taught us that approval was the price of love. They smiled when we obeyed, they frowned when we expressed, then slowly we became to shrink, one truth at a time. We started polishing our edges, softening our voices, performing our worthiness. You stopped being you and became what the world wanted, applauded, appreciated. Every choice that made came with a silent question. Will they like me for this? Will they say if I do this? Will they stay with me if I do this? And so we kept waiting for a nod, for a smile, for a green signal, but we dared not to be real. But today, I want you all to see it clearly. Never did life ask you to earn that space. It never said, become perfect before you belong. Did it? No. Life has been whispering the same truth all along. Be you. You are allowed to be you. You are allowed to speak, allowed to fail, allowed to dream differently, allowed to be different. There are no rules to it. The permission that we all have been waiting for has been buried beneath our own doubt. And now I want to you all to give it to your own self. You do not need approval to exist. You do not need applause to matter. You just need one thing, courage and acceptance to be you.
That's all the life has ever wanted from you, not what the world asked. Life has always wanted to be you, just you.